How to put your YouTube link on your Roblox account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put your YouTube link on your Roblox account. First, navigate to the YouTube website on your browser. On the left menu bar, click the Your Channel tab. Once you're on your channel page, the URL in the address bar is your YouTube channel link. Now copy this link and share it with others to reach your channel. Next, open the Roblox application on your PC. Then, go to the More tab on the left side and click Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Account Info option. After that, paste your YouTube link in the Social Network section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.